Hey guys, today we're reviewing a portable stool. Alright, so made of aluminum, quick setup, it's super light, sturdy, it'll hold my weight, I bet. Weight 500 pounds. That's me. No problem. This is going to be nice to use if you are gardening, pruning, anything like that. It's a nice height. Legs are parallel, get good circulation using this stool. And pick it up, move it with one hand. Pretty slick. You know what, I'm not going to be out here too long in the snow, but I'm excited to put this to use this spring. You can use it in your garage, you can use it in your kitchen, wherever you want. And it's got adjustable height, so it can be taller. Pretty nice, pretty easy to adjust. You could even probably use this on an uneven surface then. So if you need to do a project that's not exactly level, but it's pretty close, something that I feel comfortable standing on to use even on a step.